Hello, what's up guys, welcome back to this video. Here is Earncryptoz, where we help new beginners traders succeed in the financial market. And in this video today, I'm going to be taking you through on how to place a buy position trade on your BYDFI app. So before we get started, I want you to subscribe to our YouTube channel, turn on the notification button so you'll be the first person to get notified each time we post an important video like this. So without wasting much time, let's get started. So right here on your BYDFI app, this is your home page of your BYDFI app. So you click on features right here. So once you click on features, this is what you'll be seeing. So right now, let's go to our Telegram channel where the signal has been dropped. So right here is our Telegram channel, and this is the signal that has been dropped in our Telegram channel. Direction long, which means buy. Crypto pair ICP USDT. So right now, let's go back to our app and search for our crypto pair. So if you're on your BYDFI app and you want to search for any crypto pair, you click right here. So right here is your crypto pair. So right now, let's go back to our Telegram channel. Our Telegram channel leverage 1x to 3x leverage. Be a responsible trader by risking less than 1% of your capital. Remember, always risk what you are comfortable using. So right here, you click right here. If it's on cross before, we change it to isolated, because isolated is the recommended margin for new beginners traders. So you click on confirm. So right here on our leverage, if it's on 50x leverage or 10x, 20x, you bring it down to 3x leverage. Always risk what you are comfortable using. So right here on 3x, you click on confirm. So let's go back to our Telegram channel. Our entry price, we go with the entry price one, which is safer. So right here, for the essence of this video, there is no available funds in my BYDFI wallet, but for the essence of this video, this is where you put your entry price. So right here where they are writing amount, you type in the amount of ICP USDT you need. So you put in the amount. So right here on your take profit, you tap on your take profit. Then you go back to our Telegram channel, our take profit zone, take profit one. You come to your BYDFI app. On your take profit, you input your take profit, also your stop loss. You go back to your Telegram channel, our stop loss, you come back to your BYDFI app, you type in your stop loss, then your take profit. Whatsoever take profit is there, you type in. Once you are done setting up your things like this, then you confirm if everything is okay. Then you click on buy right here. Right now there is no contract because there is no available funds on my wallet, but this is how to place a buy trade using future derivatives trade signals on your Telegram channel right here. So this is how to place a buy trade on your BYDFI app. Thank you for watching this video up to this time. Here's Earncryptoz, where we help new beginners traders succeed in the financial market. And if you are watching this video, you don't have a BYDFI account, there will be a link in the description below where you can click and create your account and also get a discount for doing that. There will also be a link to our free Telegram channel where we share free trade signals every single day. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel too. Turn on the notification button and leave a comment below. Thank you for watching this video.